The Citrus Tower was built specifically to showcase the citrus in Clermont in Central Florida. Currently, right now, you're welcome to come in. There's a coffee shop at the bottom that has all types of citrusy drinks and specialty products. The Citrus Tower is a really cool and unique place for locals, but also for tourists. To me, the power of travel means an orange cream latte up here in the observation deck and watching the sunrise or potentially the sunset. One of my favorite things about Lake County is the lakes. And one of the cool parts about the Citrus Tower is you can see a lot of those lakes. So it's pretty neat up here. And the observation deck is beautiful, so please come and see it.